Well, one of my favorite side hustles is scrap metaling. Because when the grass isn't growing, there's nothing to cut. So I just, hide all my metal back here. We got a lot going actually. But yeah, we're gonna get it loaded up on the big trailer and take it now that there's no school for Christmas break. So it should be pretty easy to find time to take it. We got the 3 freezers loaded up. Now it's just a big game of Tetris. He'll be fine. They know me pretty well there, so. When they see my truck come up, they already have my name and everything down, so they know that I'll remove them all like I did. Not sure why the door is off this one. A lot of times actually, if the freezers work, they're pretty easy to sell for like 115 bucks, which is better than scrapping them for like 15. There's nothing to grab. That's scary. So normally with freezers, I take them apart. I could probably take this one apart, just show you guys something. Oh, my lucky day. Well, I figured I had to process this and some of that. So honestly, I don't process a lot. I only really do it if it's worth my time. Which a lot of this shit just isn't, because you don't get a lot of money from it. So like, I'm not gonna dig into this oven at all. I'm just gonna take off the bits I can see. This is aluminum. Obviously they use aluminum because it doesn't conduct heat. I don't actually know. I have no idea. Cords make you so much more money than all this shit does. Because these things, this is number 2 insulated copper wire, because it's so thin and it's so tiny. And it's just like, I don't know, it's just sitting there. I'm gonna throw it away anyways. I might as well take it off. Number 1 insulated is like this, where it's really thick and you can see all the copper in there. Couldn't even tell you what's in this. The scrap is probably, the oldest is probably 4 months old. Newest is like a week old. I've just been adding and adding different stuff. Oh yeah. Booty bump it. Booty bump it. This. Alright. Oh my god. Stuck in that crack. Looking good. We're getting there. Well, it's a new day. Started driving. Dory called me a dumbass because we were driving and, well, first of all, my ratchet unlocked, which is very annoying, to say the least. Then I was turning and she said that freezer was tipping. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what happened that unlocked my ratchet. Because I was driving and it went like, oh hell yeah, okay, so we're getting another ratchet so we can cross them. I might ratchet them to each other, I don't know. Actually my least favorite part about scrapping is getting the stuff to the yard, so I guess we'll do this safely and then hopefully end up at the junkyard, hopefully without stopping, because I lost a freezer. So look at the brilliant ratchet job from Dory right here. What are you, this is just gonna blow off. What are you doing?
Okay. Hold on.
Dude, I literally, oh my god.
Okay, hold on.
We're using a fucking car ratchet to hold down 2 fridges, I guess. Well, Xander stole my other 2. I had 4 red ones, he stole 2 of them.
Oh, I'll do it.
Wait a damn minute, this one was mine too. I know it is because me and Xander got this when we were scrapping a freezer last year. That asshole. He's a thief. He stole my electrical tape and my car ramps too. I'm gonna repo him or something. Tow his truck away. Anyways, now we're going.
Back in, throw everything off by that other washer.
Alright. So normally you kind of just throw your shit anywhere on the pile, but he wants me to go right here. So I'm gonna back in so I can stay on the trailer is my goal. Hopefully I don't get stuck while I'm backing in. Okay, am I retarded, you think? We're gonna go straight backing. I think I'm stuck. I hope he doesn't yell at me because this is literally not where he told me to go. But it's where I'm gonna go. Let me turn off my car, it's gonna take a minute. No, not really. My other glove's down here. Alright. Well, I'm gonna get the ratchets off and then we'll start throwing stuff. Oh. You grab shit and just start throwing. I'm not bringing my aluminum and copper and shit today. I'm kind of saving that for a bigger load. So you're just gonna see me dumping off the steel. All the other stuff will be a different day. I don't have a magnet. This might be aluminum. I don't know. Pro tip: always carry a magnet because steel is magnetic and aluminum's not. And steel, come on. Steel is half a cent a pound. And aluminum's like 95 cents a pound or something. crazy. So always carry a magnet. I normally carry a magnet, but I'm not right now because scrapping's not, I don't know, I'm just getting back into it, I guess. I haven't encountered any microwaves. Scrapping microwaves, you can, there's the magnet that makes the thing spin. You take that out, so yeah, whatever. Trying to make sure I have enough room to keep. Damn. This. Oh yeah. That's the one. That's the one. Trying to save some room so I don't have to move these freezers very far. So I don't want to. There's just no way that shit's metal. Oh, yeah, there is. God, this is the part that fucking sucks. Just moving these. This is definitely the best part about scrapping though. Unless it's after school and you're in a rush. Then it sucks because everyone's trying to get home because they close pretty quickly after school gets out. They close at like 4:30, so then they're all looking at you, waiting on you. It's not awesome. Sure that guy can get through. Yeah. Yes! Yes! Oh! Alright, I'm just having fun. I don't really need to move that anywhere. One more. Damn. Like a dead body in here? Something, they hit it. And I wish I kept that bungee cord on until after I got it out. Alright. Empty trailer. But we're not done. We got that barrel full of who fucking knows. Heck of a lot of mower parts. shit. Okay. Whew. Hold on. Wait. Actually, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Well, let's go see how much we get paid. Me and Dory like to play a game. I said 65. She said
85.
85. So we're gonna see whoever's closest. It's obviously me, but you know. How much are we talking? Thank you.
You are welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Oh, dude. $88 means Dory was freaking right with 85. I was off by 23. I don't know anything. So they give you, for steel, they give you, that's half a cent or half 0.055 cent. Yeah, half a cent a pound. With 1,600 pounds, which is definitely my heaviest load yet. I got 88 bucks. Actually, last time I came was also my heaviest load ever, and it was 900 pounds, so I almost doubled that. That's insane, actually. We're gonna try to beat 1,600 with this next load. The way to do that is not get those mowers and those shelves and bullshit, is just to get appliances. So, I mean, it was a good day. It's a really easy side hustle. I mean, when you can't cut grass and you just, you know. I mean, I also got paid, what, $88. I got $40 to pick up a fridge. I think I got another $20 for a dryer or something. So, I mean, it all adds up. And if you're not doing anything else, might as well do it. Is it worth spending your every minute and, you know, putting all your energy into it? No, absolutely not. But I didn't do that, and I profited.